Hi Aquarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Aquarius. We'll be picking a few cards from this deck, guys, for your general energies, and we'll be picking cards from the oracle deck and also from the angel guidance deck, guys. So those oracle decks will answer any questions you have regarding your situation, guys. Any deep thoughts or questions you have regarding your career or your relationship. So these are the cards for your general energies and for your love energies, guys. And I'll be picking two cards from the wisdom oracle deck, so that will relate to your career situation. So this is the card for your career situation, guys, and this is for your relationship, Aquarius. And I'll be picking one card from the angel deck, so we'll open that card at last, guys. So we'll turn the cards for our general energies, guys. Aquarius, Queen of Wands, Four of Pentacles in reverse, Two of Pentacles, guys, in reverse. So this is for your career situation and this is for your relationship. We'll open as we proceed into that reading, guys. Aquarius, with these cards, the general energies for you all, guys. You are a person of confidence and courage. You are always cheerful in whatever you do, and you have a particular way of doing things, and people look up to you for the way you do things, way you decide on anything. So whatever the situation may be, you are able to handle it successfully. So that is what people see about you, and you are a very dedicated person. If you set your mind to do something, you do it, and you relax only after completing that. So you are really devoted in your work, or even in this relationship you have that dedication, and you are a person of confidence. And maybe today, guys, your patience and your confidence, your conviction in your actions, so it is going to be tested some way. Maybe you will be seeing some delays or suspensions in your work. Some obstacles are there, so this may be relating to your work situation, or it may be the situation with your relationship, guys. So we will know what it is as we turn the cards, the other cards. And also, guys, I see here that you are getting some important letters, some important information is coming your way. Something work related, maybe regarding some projects or something, or something related to your relationship. Some important communication is coming towards you. That is what I see here, guys. Let us turn these cards. We will see what are these cards. So this is for your career situation, guys. Higher power. With this card, today you will feel some kind of intuitive guidance in your day. Sometimes you may get some kind of inspirations or guidance in some way, intuitions, or you may be seeing some signs pointing you in a particular direction. So when you see that, when you see that intuitive guidance today, those synchronicities or some kind of sign pointing towards some direction in your decisions regarding your work situation, you need to pay attention to that. So when you go for such choices based on your intuition, it will lead you to success, guys. And it just means that a universe is guiding you in a particular way. So when that guidance comes to us in our life, we need to accept that and go forward with that choice. So when we do that, we will become really successful, guys, in whatever we are doing. So that is the oracle's guidance for your career. And we need to be really humble today and accept that choice with humility, and we should not feel proud when the results are good. So it is the universe's guidance for us for this success. So we should understand that, and we should never forget it, and be thankful for that. Be thankful that we have got that guidance today, guys. Aquarius. So let us see what is this card for your relationship. New life. I hope you can see the card here. With this card, Aquarius, for your relationship, you are feeling great inspiration and confidence, just like I said with the previous cards, and you are enjoying this moment. If you are open to a new relationship, you may be finding a new person, or if you are already in a relationship, you may get that new energy in your relationship. That sweetness, vibrancy will be there in this relationship, and you will connect with the other person with much more excitement, passion and joy. So it is a very auspicious card, guys. This card is it denotes fortune and auspicious timing in your life. So you will feel that respect, love and caring in this relationship, and you will be really successful in whatever you move forward with in your life. Even in your work situation, we see here that you are being guided. So I see here, Aquarius, that divine timing is working for you guys. So all things happy, all things fulfilling are coming towards you guys. So you are going to feel that success in whatever you do, and you will be extremely happy if you go in for this connection with this person. It will be a deep bond you share. You will have that great compatibility in this relationship. That is what I see here, guys. So all that excitement, passion will be there in this relationship. That is the oracle's guidance for our career and for our relationship. Let us see what is the angel's guidance. Nurture your dreams. Again, with this card, guys, whatever dreams we have, so all those dreams, some dreams we have that intuition, guys. In our dreams, whatever we feel, we will be so much attracted towards those actions. We will have a gut feeling. That is our intuition. So when we follow those dreams, when we want to achieve those dreams, we will find our life's purpose. It will lead us to our life's purpose. So we need to follow those dreams. We need to nurture them, and we need to ensure that it reaches its fullest potential. When we do that, we align our lives to our life's purpose. Whatever we are, the reason we are here, we will find that when we go for such dreams. So again, here we are talking about intuition, guys. So whatever is your gut feeling towards some actions, so some dreams or achievements, whatever you are planning for your future, whatever choice you have that greatest attraction to, you just want to do it. You have to do it. You have to go follow those dreams. That is what I see here. That is the angel's guidance for you all, Aquarius, and that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching this video. If this reading resonated, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.